Hey guys, it's Doc, and just a real quick tip on these stupid gas cans that don't have a breather valve system on them. Hold on one second. Hey guys, if you're like me, you got a ton of these gas cans and all the valves on there. They don't allow for air to come into the gas can, so you get that stupid glug, glug, glug. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. I hate these things. I mean, we're running small engines all the time over at the shop, and it's just the most annoying thing in the world. So anyways, let me show you my fix. There's a bunch of fixes out there about putting a valve in, installing a valve in here, but I gotta be honest. I mean, as you can see, I got gas cans everywhere. And this is the easiest way to do it, I think. Again, these stupid safety valves that don't allow air in. This is Gorilla Tape. And all I do is just push. That is a 1/8 inch hole that I have drilled. And that little teeny hole right there will stop that. And you'll have a constant flow from your gas can now versus that glug, glug. And so basically all you do when you're done is just put down that tape and you're done. It's real simple. All right, so let's get to the exciting part here. Now my gas can will empty 100% of the way, completely out. Look at that. Beautiful. No more glug, glug, glug. This is Doc. How you do it? Just a quick little tip.